you guys, welcome back to another one of my natural hair video. Today I'm going to show you how I do a two-stranded twist with braided roots, you guys. Very quick and simple. I'll just get straight into it. So the first product that we're going to use is the Raised Edge Wax, you guys. I found this from a beauty supply store and I love this product. It actually is a non-sticky product, and it has no flaking. It holds really. Next I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel, which I use for a lot of my hairstyle. This is the argan oil. So this is going to be our next product. The next thing I'm going to use at the ending of this complete hairstyle is the olive oil, which I use on her scalp and to give the twist some shines. And don't forget, we need our comb and brush, of course. So this is a fresh hair that I'm actually doing right here. I already did the back, so now I'm doing the front. I started off by parting the front, and then I went ahead and did little box, but not too small, just a nice medium size. Went ahead with my first product, the Edge Wax. I put that at the root of her hair because it's a very nice and non-stick product and it's dry, so it's gonna hold real well. And then I went in with my Eco Styling Gel. I don't put that on the roots because I don't want no wetness to the root. I put that at like the ending and at the middle of her hair. I just then take my brush and brush that in evenly. Okay, for us to get started, the first thing we gotta do is divide or section into 3 parts. I like to get like a small section first, a little small one, and then 2 big ones. And then that's exactly what I do. But you could divide it equally the same size. Okay, so the index and the thumb fingers are the ones that do the most work, and then the other 3 fingers are the helpers. So I use my index finger on the right to go over the left to pull that hair from the bottom. Then I use the right index finger to pull over the left, and that's how. So now I'm gonna take that hair from the middle, normally the smallest one. As I said, I use a small one and then 2 big ones, and then I'm gonna separate that by pulling that with my 2 index finger. I separating it with my index finger, as you could see, and then I put that into 2 big section, and then I start twisting from there. Before I start twisting, I normally use my Eco Gel and put a little bit of Eco Gel right where I start that twist so it could be nice and secure, and that's all I did. For the twisting, it's very simple. You just go, use your index finger one over the other, then use your helpers to help you grab the hair from the other side. And to prevent the hair from loosening out at the ending, I love to put a little bit of the edge wax so it could be nice and secured. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you guys one last time again on how to do this twist. So I first get a little small section and then I divide the other side into two big sections, and that's how I have my 3 sections. That's how it looks. After I did that, I started off, as I said, I used my right index finger to grab the hair from the left, and then my left index finger to grab the hair from the right. As I'm grabbing the hair, I use my helpers to help me hold the hair. Then I'm gonna use my my 2 index finger from left and right and separate that middle hair section and put that into 2 sections. From there, I start off with my twist, and that's all it is, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the finished, completed look. Okay, so I'm done with my baby girl here. As you guys see, it came out pretty awesome. It's not very small and not too big. I actually went with like small and, you know, small and big all around the hair, but it still looked pretty nice to me. I just did like the back. I did like 4 in a row. As I went up farther, I had like 6 in a row. As you go up, you have more in that particular row, so you got to make more to let it look even. And that's it, you guys. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.